Good morning, dear students. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we will discuss exercise number 18.4. In the previous videos, we have already discussed about the previous exercise. Now, today we will discuss about the multiplications of the following numbers. So, the first question is we have to multiply rupees 847.50 by 6. Okay, so when we will multiply 847.50 into 6, but the answer we will get on multiplying the number is 5085. Okay, we will get the answer as a rupees 5085. Okay, now in the second question we have to multiply rupees 760.85 by 3. Okay, when we multiply 760.85 into 3, how we will get the answer on multiplying 3 by 5? First of all, we will multiply 3 by 5. 3 5s are 15, so the last digit 15 as a 5, we will take it, we will write the 5 as a last digit and the carry we will get as a 1. Okay, now we will multiply 3 by 8. 3 8s are 24 and we have already gotten a carry of 1, so we will add that carry in the 24, so answer we will get is 25. We will write 5 and get 2 as a carry. Now we will multiply 3 by 0. 3 zeros are 0. Okay, and we had get 2 as a carry. 0 plus 2, answer we will get 2. Now next onwards we have to multiply 3 by 6. 3 6 are 18. We have to write 8 and get the carry as 1. Okay, now we have to multiply 3 by 7. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. 22, the answer we have got as a rupees 2282.55. Okay, how we will read this answer? We will read as 2282 rupees and 55 paise. Okay, the next the remaining part you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now second question is we have to divide the following number. Okay, next question is we have to divide rupees 7631.20 by 4. Okay, on dividing, first of all we have to remove point. Okay, first of all we will remove the point. On removing the point, we have got the digit 76,312 divided by 40. Okay, so we have to divide the number 76,312 by 40. First of all, we will study the table of 40. 40 on counting the number, we will get 40 ones are 40 and 40 is smaller than 76. If we will take the number 2, 42s are 80, but 80 is greater than 76, so we can't take the number 80. We have to take 40 into 1, 40. Okay, now on subtracting 76 minus 40, we will get the answer 36. Okay, now the digit 3 we have taken at the bottom. Okay, now we have the number 363. Now again we will read the table of 40. Okay, now 49s are 360. We have got 360. Now we will divide 363 minus 360. Okay, the answer is 3. Next we will take the digit 1 and we have got 31, but 31 is smaller than 40 and it is not divisible by 40. So by taking 0, we have to write the number 0 and take the another digit, that is 12. Okay, now we have got the digit 312. Now we again read the table of the 40 and get the answer less than 312. So on reading the table, we get 40 into 7, 47s are 280. On subtracting 312 minus 280 we get 32. Okay, now we have to take another digit for further division, so we will put a point, okay, or decimal number. So we had put a decimal or a point, and we have get the 0 as a digit. Okay, now we will again read the table of the 40. 48 is a 320. Okay, and 320 minus 320, the answer we have get 0, and here our division is completed. So on dividing rupees 7620.20 by 4, the answer we have get is equal to rupees 1907.8 paise or 80 paise. We can't say 8 paise. When there is 08, then we will have to say 8 paise. But the answer is 1907 rupees and 80 paise. Okay. Next, similarly, we have to divide 8341.30 by 11. You can do now. In the previous classes you have learned about the division. Okay, similarly you have to do this division. Okay, now all the remaining parts you have to do by yourself. Next we will move on the next exercise. The next exercise is 18.5. okay, so the question of 18.5, first question is find the cost of one notebook if 7 notebooks cost rupees 3949.75 paise. Okay, sorry, we read as rupees 3949 and 75 paise. Here we have given the cost of the 7 notebooks, and we have to find the cost of one notebook. When this question arises in which we have given the value of larger quantity and we have to find the value of the smaller quantity, then in these questions we have to divide the numbers. Okay, so for finding the cost of the one notebook, we have to divide the cost by 7 notebooks. Okay, the cost given here is 3949.75. So we will divide 3949.75 by 7. Okay, how we will do the division? We have to read the table of the 7. Okay, first of all we read the table of the 7 in which we get the number less than 39. So first of all read the table of the 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, and 7 5 is 35. 35 is less than 39. Okay, so we will write it as a 35. Now we have to subtract 35 from 39. On subtracting we get 4 as an answer. Now the next value we have to write it down. Okay, so the what value we have got? We have got 44 as a digit. Now again we will read the table of 7 and find the number which is 44, which is less than 44. Okay, so 7 6 are 42. 42 is less than 44. Okay, so now we will subtract 42 from 44. The answer we get is 2. Now we will write the another digit. Another digit is 9. So the answer, what digit you get? We get the whole digit as a 29. Now again we will read the table of the 7. 7 4s are 28. Okay, now we will subtract 28 from 29. The answer we will get is 1. Now there is a point. After the digit 9 we have got the point. Okay, so that point we will do as a remainder. We will write as a quotient. Okay, and we will write down the another digit, that is 17. Okay, now again we will study the table of the 7 and find the number which is less than 17. So the number is 7 2s are 14. Okay, now we will subtract the number 14 from 17. The answer we get is 3. Now the last digit is 5. We will write down as below the near the 3. Okay, the whole number we get is 35. Now again we will read the table of the 7 and find the value. So we get the 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 35, we will get 0. So our answer is rupees on dividing 3949.75 by 7. The answer is rupees 564.25 paise. Okay, so the cost of one notebook is rupees 564 rupees and 25 paise. Okay, similarly you have to do all the rest of the questions of your exercises. Okay, we will discuss the chapter question second also. Okay, in question second Mrs. Gupta buys 8 packets of milk. देखिए मिसेस गुप्ता ने कितने पैकेट्स खरीदे मिल्क के, हमारे 8 पैकेट्स. इफ द प्राइस ऑफ 1 पैकेट मिल्क इज ₹24.5. अगर देखिए एक पैकेट का प्राइस जो है हमारे मिल्क का वो कितना है 24.50. तो हमको 8 पैकेट्स के कॉस्ट हमको फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो देखिए जब भी हमको क्या होता है स्मॉलर क्वांटिटीज की वैल्यू दी हो और हमको लार्जर क्वांटिटीज की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना हो तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उस केस में हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ₹24.50 into 8. Okay, so answer we will get ₹196. Okay, similarly you have to do all the questions. Okay, now we will discuss the exercise 18.6. Exercise 18.6. In exercise 18.6 we have to prepare the bill for these customers. Okay, and we have to prepare a chart and the bill. Okay, the first question is Soumya went to a shop for clothes for her children and she brought 3 items: 4 t-shirts at ₹110 each, 2 pairs of jeans at ₹350 a pair of running shoes at ₹785, 3 pairs of slippers at ₹125 a pair, and 5 pairs of socks at ₹28 a pair. We have to prepare a bill. How we will prepare a bill? First of all, we will write the names of all the items which Soumya had bought. Okay, Soumya had bought t-shirt, jeans, running shoes, slippers and the socks. Now we will write the quantities of the given things. T-shirt she has brought is 4, jeans she has brought is 2, okay, are 2, running shoes 1, slippers 3 and the socks 5. Now we will write the money. Okay, the money of each shirt, of each item. The price of one t-shirt is 110 rupees. The price of one jeans is ₹350. The price of the running shoes is ₹785. The price of sleeper is 125 and the price of the socks is ₹28. Now we have to find the total cost. Okay, so how we will find the total cost of 4 t-shirt? On multiplying 110 by 4 we will get 440. Okay, similarly we have to multiply ₹350 into 2 for the total price of the jeans. Okay, we will get the answer ₹700. Running shoes price is 785 and she has brought only one quantity. Okay, so we will multiply 785 into 1. Answer we will get is ₹785. Sleepers she has brought is 3 pairs of sleepers. So the total amount of 3 sleepers is 125 multiplied by 3. Answer is got 375. Now on multiplying 28 by 5 we will get the answer 140. Okay, so total amount. Now we have to make a bill and had to calculate the total amount. So when we add 440 plus 700 plus 785 plus 375 plus 140. The answer we get is rupees 2440, and we have prepared the bill. I hope you have understood it well. Now you have to do similar questions in your notebook and practice these questions. I hope you have understood all these exercises well. Now we will meet in the next session. Till the time, take care of yourself. Thank you.